Hey, what is marketing, everyone? We are back at Animal Kingdom today. It is the day after the closure of Dinorama. Um, quick trip in. Want to see what, if any, changes have been done. Know that there are some construction walls up around Dinorama and Dinoland and Dino. So yeah, some changes are going to be happening there. Don't think any physical changes have been done yet. But yeah, never know until we go in and look. So quick trip in. Kind of want to ride Everest today. So probably to go ride Everest. Does not seem like it is nearly as busy today as it was yesterday. So it should be nice and simple to get in, get on a couple of things, check out Dinoland, and yeah. So yeah, come on, let's go have some fun. So it may be halfway through January already, but we are still heavily in the holiday spirit here at Disney. Christmas tree is still up in Animal Kingdom, but still, should be a great time. We're gonna head in, have some great fun, and go from there. So as we're walking in, there are some interesting tidbits, which, I mean, not really tid or bits, or in some cases it might not be interesting. But did you know, at the entrance of Animal Kingdom, we do have 3 of these animal heads on the ticket booth buildings outside the front. So this one here, we have the Triceratops. We also have the elephant, as well as the dragon. So the dragon area was supposed to be for Beastly Kingdom, which never actually happened. That is now what the Pandora area is. Elephant, I think we'll always have elephants in Animal Kingdom. And then there is the Triceratops, which will hopefully be a forever reminder that at one point in time there was a Dino Land inside of Animal Kingdom. Okay, so we came in, we grabbed the new map, which has already been updated. It really did not take long, but part of Dinoland with Dinorama and Chester and Hester's have already been removed from the map. So that is not something that would exist to anyone who happened to just be coming into Disney for the first time. It's already gone. Okay, so Dolly said that the holidays are still going on. Yes, all of the decorations are still up. But that does not mean all of the holiday offerings are still going on. The Magical Menagerie, the little puppet show with all of the woodland creatures are not going on anymore here at Animal Kingdom. Same thing with all the other festive offerings that were going on extra throughout the other parks. The decorations are definitely still up, still spreading some Christmas cheer through the music loops and songs going on, but the actual extra events are no longer going on in any of the parks. So the race is on to see which attraction is going to be the next one to go extinct. So behind me has Bugs Life. No official date has been announced yet. Last I checked, it looks like it is safe up through probably at least February, but that can change really quick. That will become the new Zootopia show. And then the other areas that will be closed will be over here in Dinoland uh, with the Boneyard and Restaurantosaurus. We do know Dinosaur is safe through this year at least, but no official announcements have been made yet for the rest of Dinoland. So as of today, no longer able to get in Dinorama. The hedge walls are now up. It looks like there are construction walls down further. So a very different look than what it was just one day ago. I do see some people back there possibly doing some work already. They could just be doing some final cleanup from yesterday. But big difference one day can make. So yes, construction has definitely begun for all of the interactive games here. Some work has definitely been done. You can hear them working on taking apart all of the attractions already. So big progress. Gonna come across here really soon. So, interesting couple of years ahead. once we get past, I think, where the carnival games are, we're down by roughly where Triceratops spin would be. We have actual construction walls up. Squirrel talking about changes coming. And then we do get back down to the construction hedges as well. So there's another sign hidden back here. It says things will look better in the morning. I think it might take a little bit more before morning till all this gets switched out. So it looks like Donald may still end up meeting down here at the gas stations, but the gift shop, as well as everything else, is now well behind construction walls. So major changes coming along. Definitely be keeping a close eye on this throughout the year. The difference one day can make in a theme park. One day this area was full, packed with people having a great time. Now it's a construction site. Okay, now probably the most important update that has happened. The bathrooms over by Chester and Hester are no longer open. So when you come down from the Boneyard, you need to come all the way to the back of Restaurantosaurus, across from the entrance pathway back here to Dinosaur. Is going to be your closest bathroom in Dinoland. So definitely important information for some of y'all to know. So you really have to go, so where you got to go? Well, while we're here, it says it's a 10-minute wait. So we're going to go see Dinosaur. I hear the dinosaur that's eating the other dinosaur. I don't remember the names of them right now. I have to look that up. But that animatronic, I believe, has been fixed and is back in. So we'll go in for a quick ride of this. We'll go from there.
Okay, now let's go get that dino. Computer, what are you tracking?
Styracosaurus.
Not our dino.
Warning, meteor shower in range.
Just little one.
Oleoramus. Hadrosaur. Raptor.
Time to get serious.
The big dino on the scope. Could be ours. Computer, full stop. Identify.
Carnotaurus.
Definitely not our dino. Go, go, go! That's it. Abort mission. Abort, abort!
Iguanodon.
Forget it! Get them out now!
Asteroid impact.
Brace yourself! This is it! They're not gonna make it! They're not gonna make it!
Mission accomplished.
You made it! I knew you would.
Super excited to say that the dinosaur is back in Dinosaur. And it is moving better than I think I've ever seen it. So that's a great sign for possible things to come through the rest of this year. Hopefully they're going to do a good job of maintaining the rest of the animatronics in there, keep updating them, keeping them up to date as best as they can for its last year of operation. So hopefully by the end of its life, it is as good as new and not just limping across the finish line as a lot of the attractions have as of late when they end up closing them up.
Allogramus. This one is the one that's back. Also, the exit that would take you down to Chester and Hester's is up with a construction wall as well as some chain link fence around it as well to prevent people from going down to the old gift shop area. Change is good. Okay, got to ride Dinosaur. I got to see of what little changes have actually happened yet. Everything's still there that was there yesterday, but I can hear active work happening. Drills, saws, you name it, they're probably working on it right now. So change is coming. Change should be good. Passing under the Golden Gate Bridge right now. Gonna head towards the exit. Still, quick little fun trip out here to Animal Kingdom. I hope y'all enjoyed it. See y'all next time. Okay, also real quick, algorithm says I should do this, so I'm going to do it for the first time now. See if it makes a difference. If you made it this far, give me a like. If you like subscribing, great. Comment, great. Watch something else. Should be saying to do that right around somewhere. But yeah, thanks for coming along with me. See y'all next time. And as always, folks, be kind and exit through the gift shop.
Oleoramus.